I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get it, no call it quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way, cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all it is. You better move, you might.
In the city of Pokers, I'm a stroker. Mr. I be stroking. Hey, look, hold on. We gotta get the man of the hour right there. He ducking off whip. He got us in the building, man. Big H-Town. We a stroker, but you know we gotta show love to the Pokers. You know we gotta fuck with the G-bodies and the lax. So, rock with us. This is before the show, y'all. Big G stroke. Yeah.
Hey man, I ain't even turned away from the camera, man, but you know who it is, your boy from the H, man. The whip connoisseur out here doing what I doing, trying to orchestrate this chaos, man, you know what I'm saying? We got a whole lot of cars, man, it's a whole lot going on this weekend. So make sure y'all come through NRG if you in town, DJ Envy versus Trey, New York versus Houston, it's going down, man. Whole bunch of H-Town shit, man.
And we winning. New York against the motherfuckers. We got
just like we did last year.
That part.
Don't let nobody tell you different.
That part.
We don't give a damn about no $1 million cars, man. Look what we got, man. Have I go back just a little bit.
Y'all gotta get Bro 7 in there.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
He said don't do it. Do it to him anyway, man. Get him.
Don't do that, man. Might be down my life card. I gotta get back out here on these streets, man.
Tell them take care of them Forges. Forges versus Ruchis. Y'all seen the episode. It's big Forgy game.
Favorite part about her car.
Tell the truth. Tell the truth. The Forge. Y'all know Bad Black. Y'all know what's understood don't gotta be explained with this. This a bad motherfucker, man. Real talk. Bro, this hoe's so clean. God damn. Every time I see you, this bitch spotless too. Y'all killing me with that shit. I'm like, damn, bro. I gotta get my garage built so I can park close that hoe up.
I'm trying to rub the paint on it. Trying to rub the wrap off.
Bro, that's a wrap?
Yes, sir.
Oh, we might be winning with our rap then, y'all. Hold up. Hold up. Y'all rap gang strong, man. Hold up. We finna come with... Yeah, that's what my daughter picked. Go down and catch the one in front of him.
They're gonna let us come in early too if you need.
This is what's up. I love Fords, you know, but GMCs, they be fire. They have a little song, but look the color though. Too. Gotta catch this little Cadillac in there. Got black, spotless. us. You see us right now. You see us right now. Let's go.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Sample the one that sample.
He over here he's trying to wipe his shit down.
I'm finna wipe mine.
You sure this epic? The color is light and it's really thin. The camera definitely doesn't do any kind of adjustment.
Hey, Sweet Pea, you got the keys? What the keys? You got the keys? Hey, come over here. Y'all know what it is. We just got a picture with DJ Envy. In the city of Pokers, I'm a stroker. Mr. I be stroking. Big stroke. None of that little bitty shit. Rock with us today, y'all. 7 is gonna be running a little late, but we still gonna represent Big 4 gang in this. Let's go.
What are you doing? Taking mental photographs.
Hey, hold up. We need you to do something for our camera though. You gotta do like this for the stroke gang, bro. One time, stroke gang, y'all see what it is, man. Alright, stroke gang. Y'all see Geeks and Guns got bamboozled into getting a massage.
Gotta check out the shoulders, So you're gonna make these shoulders lift and contract, just give you a massage, increase the blood and oxygen. Which is really good for like headaches, migraines, muscle spasms. There you go. Get it close up in on the shoulders, look.
Ah.
And then it drops.
That's weird. That's weird. Kind of weirding me out.
What you think, Joe?
Oh yeah.
gang. We had to get him. Slag Gang Magazine and his mug. I just wanted to grab a quick cameo. Y'all go like, comment, subscribe. And of course, purchase some magazines, man. Run it up. We trying to get it. Teamwork make the dream work. You heard what Spokes and Vogue say. We all making a collaborative effort, bro. So let's run it up. That's what it is.